Hello guys, we found one of these cicadas. And there's one there. And there's another one over here. And I'm going to show you another one. It's on that tree over that tree. I'm going to show you it. There's a lot of them. And I'm a little scared. One under, one right there, and then another one, and then there's another one under here. Yeah, I already know. And then another one right there, and some here. I saw one earlier, and then one. Let's follow my dad. There's one right there. That one still has the skin on. Oh, that's just a yeah. There's a lot more, maybe in that tree right there. So subscribe, like, but not yet. I'm just saying it. Just maybe. Gonna check. Gonna check. That's cicadas right there. And my dad just take off the skin by itself. And don't blow it away, everyone. Look at the eyes. I'm going to show you the other one again. It's right there. The other one is right there. And it's just looking at my face. And my dad is holding it. Oh my god, not too close.
Okay.
Oh, it's moving. Put it back. I'm scared, I'm scared, I'm so scared, I'm so scared. The eyes are like, it looks like a car. So subscribe, like, and other notifications. Bye.